Are you new to project management or even just wondering what are the some terminologies so that you can understand things a little bit better when you hear them? Hi, if you're new here, I'm 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐍𝐄𝐓, a project manager by profession. Welcome to the project management channel. So, if you are excited to learn the top six project management terms, so let's dive in. Whether you're just starting out in the field or you are a seasoned professional, these terms are essential for effective project management. Number one, project scope. The first term we'll be discussing is project scope. It refers to the boundaries of a project, including the deliverables, objectives, and tasks that need to be completed. A well defined project scope helps the project team understand what is expected of them and what success looks like. Project plan. A project plan is a detailed document that outlines the project objectives, timelines, and resources and constraints. It's a roadmap that guides the project team through the entire project life cycle from initiation to closure. Work breakdown structure. The work breakdown structure is a decomposition of the project scope into smaller, more manageable components. This approach helps project managers to organize and assign tasks to team members and identify dependencies between tasks. Gantt chart. A Gantt chart is a visual representation of a project schedule that shows the start and end dates of tasks as well as their duration and dependencies. This tool is used by project managers to track progress and identify potential delays. Critical path. The critical path is sequence of tasks that must be completed on time for the project to be finished by the deadline. The path determines the minimum amount of time required to complete the project. Stakeholders. Stakeholders are individuals or groups who have an interest in the project and can influence its outcome. Effective stakeholder management is crucial for project success as it ensures that all parties are aligned and working toward the same objectives. Hope so. You have learned the terminologies. Please like and subscribe my channel and keep supporting me. Thank you. Take care. Bye.